Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to solve a common questions. Can you switch servers in Blox Fruits on the PS4? Let's dive right in and clear this up. First off, it's important to know that Blox Fruits does allow server switching on PC, but that option is not available in PlayStation 4. If you have tried to change server on PS4, you have probably noticed that the server browser feature is missing. Now, let's take a quick look at how it works PC. On PC, there's a simple server button at the top right of the screen. Clicking that brings up a list of available servers. You can easily join a new one. However, this feature does not exist on PS4. You might be wondering, is there any way to switch server on PS4? Unfortunately, no. Even if you press the touchpad or try to pause the game, nothing happens. As of now, there's no way to use the server browser on Blox Fruits for PlayStation 4. In fact, the PlayStation version of the game is quite limited. Not only does it lack the server browser, but it also does not have features like in-game chat. It is a bit disappointing, especially when you compare it to the PC version, where these options are rarely available. So to answer your question, no, it's not impossible to change the server on PS4 at the moment. We'll just have to wait and see if the developers release an update that brings features to console like PS4 and Xbox. If this video cleared up your doubts, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick tips, Blox Fruits, and other games. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.